If you're waking up 2, 3, even 4 times to pee, it's easy to think, well, I'm older, this is my life now. Not so. In many cases, night peeing, what clinicians call nocturia, isn't about a weak bladder. It's about timing habits and simple body mechanics you can change in just a few days. Tonight you'll learn 5 bedtime habits that calm urgency, lighten your bladder at night, and help you sleep longer, stretches safely and naturally. No gimmicks, no extreme diets. Just smart tweaks when you drink, what you eat at dinner, how you handle caffeine and medications, a short routine to drain the legs, and a wind down that tells your bladder, we're done for the night. Many people who follow these steps notice progress in 3 to 7 days, fewer bathroom trips, deeper sleep, and more morning energy. And if you've already tried don't drink after 6 p.m. and it didn't work good, that's only part of the puzzle. Stay with me. You'll get a 1-minute bathroom trick, the #1 water timing mistake to avoid, and a simple 7-day checklist you can print and follow. Let's get you sleeping without playing tag with the toilet all night. I'm a nutrition-focused health educator who collaborates with physicians and sleep specialists to translate evidence into simple food-first routines for older adults. This video is educational and not medical advice. Night peeing can have medical causes: prostate enlargement, urinary tract infection, diabetes, heart or kidney issues, medications, or sleep apnea. If you notice pain, burning, blood, and urine fever, new incontinence, fainting, or swelling in your legs, please call your clinician. Never change prescription timing without your prescriber's guidance. Use what you learn here as a practical checklist. Adopt the 5 habits. Follow the 7-day routine and track your wake-ups to see what works for you. Here's the plan. First, a plain English explanation of nocturia so you know what's actually causing the wake-ups. Then we'll stack 5 bedtime habits that work together: front-load hydration, with an evening cutoff, and the #1 water timing mistake to avoid a bladder-calm dinner plate, smart timing for caffeine, alcohol, and meds. A 1-minute bathroom trick plus a short drain the legs routine, and finally a soothing wind down that quiets urgency. After that, you'll get a printable 7-day checklist, red flag symptoms to watch for, a quick troubleshooting guide, and a simple way to track progress so you can start tonight and see results within a week. Nocturia means waking at night 1 or more times to urinate. After 60, it's common but not normal if it ruins sleep. Think of nighttime urine like a traffic problem caused by timing pressure and signals. Timing fluids you drink late haven't been processed yet, so your kidneys send more urine to the bladder while you're trying to sleep. Pressure fluid can pool in the legs during the day. If your ankles puff by evening, that fluid returns to the bloodstream. When you lie down and your kidneys make more urine, right when you want to be asleep. Signals: caffeine, alcohol, high-sugar dinners, some medications, stress, and sleep apnea all tell the bladder or kidneys to be more active at night. Here's the key: shifting when you hydrate, what you eat in the evening, and how you prepare your body before bed often reduces wake-ups without cutting water overall or holding it uncomfortably. Let's fix the timing first. Night peeing is often a timing problem, not a total water problem. Aim to drink most of your fluids earlier in the day so your kidneys finish their job before bedtime. Many adults do well with roughly 48 to 64 ounces, 6 to 8 cups per day, but follow your clinician's advice if you have heart, kidney, or liver conditions. Pace your fluids like this from wake up to noon. Get 50-60% of your day's fluids. Start with a full glass when you wake. From noon to around 5 p.m., take in another 30 to 40% with steady sips, not big gulps. After 5 p.m., keep it to about 10 to 20% of your day's liquids, and stop routine drinking 2 to 3 hours before bed. If you're genuinely thirsty late, take tiny comfort sips, just 1 or 2 ounces to soothe, not catch up. The #1 mistake is chugging water after dinner or right before bed to hydrate. That simply pushes urine production into your sleep window. And if you sweat late from exercise or a hot evening, a lightly salted dinner or a small electrolyte portion earlier in the evening may reduce overnight thirst. Skip added sodium if you have high blood pressure, heart failure, or a sodium-restricted plan. Ask your clinician. Finally, try to take water-heavy medications earlier in the day when appropriate. Never change prescription timing without guidance. Now your dinner. It can either quiet nighttime urgency or poke your bladder awake. Aim for steady blood sugar, modest fluids, and fewer bladder irritants. Build a simple plate: 1/4 to 1/3 protein salmon, chicken, tofu, eggs, or lentils, to steady overnight blood sugar, half a plate of fiber, and magnesium-rich vegetables like steamed greens, broccoli, zucchini, carrots, or asparagus to support fluid balance without too much acid or spice. And 1/6 to a quarter of smart carbs such as quinoa, brown rice, sweet potato, or chickpeas. Small portions reduce late-night urine spikes tied to high sugar. Cook gently, bake, steam, or sauté instead of deep frying because heavy salty meals drive thirst later. Dial down common night irritants if you're sensitive, very salty foods, ultra-spicy dishes, acidic tomato or citrus sauces, peppermint, and artificial sweeteners. Try milder herbs, parsley, dill, oregano, and a drizzle of olive oil. For sauces, consider yogurt, dill, and olive oil vinaigrette, or a small touch of tahini lemon instead of hot sauces or heavy tomato bases. For dessert, go small and early, a few berries with Greek yogurt or a square of dark chocolate, if caffeine tolerant, ideally finished by 6 to 7 p.m. And portion your fluids at dinner. Sip, don't endlessly refill. The goal is comfortable hydration, not a full bladder at lights out. Two powerful levers for night peeing are stimulants, which keep kidneys and bladder more active, and sedatives or diuretics, which shift fluid timing. Tweak, don't panic. For caffeine, set your personal cutoff 8 hours before bed. Many seniors feel best stopping by noon to 2 p.m. Watch hidden sources, black or green tea, yerba mate, colas, energy drinks, even decaf coffee, which still has a small amount of caffeine, and dark chocolate. If you crave a warm cup after dinner, switch to caffeine-free herbal options like chamomile or roasted barley. Avoid strong peppermint if your bladder is sensitive. For alcohol, remember it's a diuretic and fragments sleep. If you drink, keep it with dinner and no later than 3 to 4 hours before bed, and limit to one standard drink. Consider skipping entirely during your 7-day reset if wake-ups are frequent. On medications, speak with your prescriber. Diuretics water pills are commonly moved to early morning or early afternoon to avoid night urination. Some blood pressure medicines, SGLT2s, and other drugs can shift fluid or sugar. Ask whether earlier dosing is appropriate. Don't move alpha blockers or sedatives on your own. Timing affects blood pressure and fall risk. With supplements, large nighttime doses of magnesium or vitamin C can loosen stools or irritate bladders in some people. If you're sensitive, try smaller, earlier doses unless advised otherwise. The bottom line: put stimulants and diuretics where they belong daytime, so your bladder can clock out at night. Next is the mechanics: drain the legs, relax the bladder. If your ankles puff up by evening, that fluid returns to circulation when you lie down, and your kidneys make more urine just as you're trying to sleep. So move it earlier and calm the signals. In the evening, elevate your legs for 20 to 30 minutes. Calves above heart level, using pillows against a wall or on a couch arm. Add ankle pumps, 20-30 reps, and earlier in the evening, calf raises 2 to 3 sets of 10 to milk fluid back before bed. During the day, light to moderate compression socks can reduce pooling. Avoid them if you have severe arterial disease or skin breakdown. Check with your clinician. Remove compression before bed unless specifically advised. Gently relax the pelvic floor. Many people with urgency overclench. Try 3 to 4 slow belly breaths, letting your pelvic floor drop on each exhale. Imagine gently widening your sit bones. This reduces false alarms. Now the 1-minute bathroom trick at your last bathroom trip: void, then stand up. Relax your shoulders and jaw. Breathe slowly for 30-40 seconds, sit again, and void a second time. This double voiding often releases another 1 to 3 ounces, which can buy you a longer sleep stretch. Warmth helps. A warm compress or shower on the calves or lower back before bed relaxes muscles and lowers urgency. A calm bladder starts with a calm nervous system. Build a predictable last 60 to 90 minutes that lowers adrenaline and body temperature, 2 silent drivers of urgency. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Aim for 60 to 67 degrees F. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask, and consider a fan or white noise if outside sounds wake you. Keep your feet warm and your core cool. A cozy pair of socks or a warm foot bath for 10 minutes. Relaxes pelvic and calf muscles while your core cools. Both reduce urgency signals. Dim lights after dinner. Switch screens to night mode and set a screen cutoff 60 minutes before bed. Blue light can disrupt sleep hormones, and fragmented sleep means more might as well pee awakenings. At your last bathroom visit, use the double void from earlier. Keep a clear, well-lit path to the bathroom. Nightlight. No loose rugs to prevent falls. This alone can reduce anxiety-driven wakefulness. Then do a 60-second settle down, one hand on your belly, one on your chest. Inhale for a count of 4, exhale for a count of 6 for 10. Slow breaths. Feel your pelvic floor soften on each exhale. Finally, give yourself a cue, bladder off duty now. It sounds simple, but consistent cues help retrain urgency pathways. Here's your 7-day bedtime routine. Print it and check it off each night. You're training timing, not willpower. Every morning, drink a full glass on waking. Get most of your fluids in by noon, then steady sips to about 5 p.m. Every afternoon, get a gentle 10-20-minute walk and finish caffeine by noon to 2 p.m. Every evening, eat a bladder-calm dinner protein plus vegetables, plus a small smart carb. Stop routine drinking 2 to 3 hours before bed. Only tiny sips if thirsty. In the last 60 to 90 minutes before bedtime, dim lights and turn off screens at T60. Elevate legs for 20 to 30 minutes with ankle pumps, or remove compression socks if you wore them. Take a warm foot bath or shower if you like. Use the bathroom and double void. Then do your 60-second breathing with your off-duty cue and go to bed. Ramp up day by day on days 1 to 2. Establish the fluid schedule and evening cutoff, and practice double voiding. Days 3 to 4, add leg elevation and ankle pumps and remove late alcohol. Day 5, tighten dinner, less salt, less spice, fewer sweets. Day 6, lock in the screen cutoff and breathing. Day 7, review your log and keep what worked. If you slip, don't quit. Reset the sequence from the leg elevation step onward and keep the cutoff that night. Consistency over perfection. Most people see fewer wake-ups by days 3 to 5 and steadier sleep by day 7. A quick safety checkpoint. Night peeing has many benign causes, but certain signs need medical evaluation, so you fix the right problem safely. Pain, burning, cloudy urine, fever, or strong odor can signal infection. Blood in the urine, pink, red, or cola-colored needs prompt attention. Sudden new incontinence or rapid worsening is a red flag. Marked ankle or leg swelling, shortness of breath, or waking up gasping can point to fluid or heart issues. Uncontrolled thirst with frequent daytime urination or unexplained weight loss needs screening for diabetes. Men, a weak stream, straining, dribbling, or feeling not empty can suggest prostate enlargement or other issues. Watch for sleep apnea. Clues: loud snoring, witnessed pauses in breathing, morning headaches, dry mouth. Consider any new medications or supplements that started right before your symptoms. Diuretics, SGLT2s, lithium high-dose vitamin C, and others can shift urine timing. And if you've had falls, dizziness, or fainting near bathroom trips, get help immediately. If you recognize any of these, call your clinician before changing routines. The habits here can still help, but medical causes need direct treatment. Now, measure what matters. Each morning, jot down your bedtime, your last drink time, the number of night voids, total sleep time, and any notes, late caffeine, extra salty dinner, whether you did leg elevation. Use a simple urgency scale from 0 to 3, and circle any wins like your longest sleep stretch. Here's a typical timeline. Days 1-2, fewer late drinks. You learn the double void. Days 3-5, you notice 1 fewer bathroom trip and a longer first sleep stretch. Day 7. Many people see 50-80% fewer wake-ups if no medical red flags are present. If there's no change, review caffeine, alcohol, and medication timing. Consider daytime compression if appropriate, and talk with your clinician about sleep apnea or medication adjustments. Small, consistent tweaks beat heroic effort. Let's troubleshoot a few common situations. If you're on a diuretic, ask your prescriber about morning or early afternoon dosing, and keep the evening fluid cut off. If you get very thirsty at night, check salt and sugar at dinner. Try a tiny sip and a warm foot bath instead of a full glass. If you nap late, move naps earlier before 3 p.m. and keep them to 20-30 minutes to reduce night fragmentation. If you've been told you have overactive bladder, keep the habits here, add the urge suppression breathing and pelvic floor relaxation drills, and ask your clinician about pelvic floor therapy or bladder training. Regarding herbal teas, choose caffeine-free and finish 2 to 3 hours before bed. Avoid strong peppermint or citrus if you're sensitive. If you have prostate concerns, track your symptoms and see your clinician. These habits still help with timing, but evaluation matters. If this helped, like this video, so more seniors see it and subscribe for simple, safe, food-first routines. Tell me in the comments, type "sleep if you're starting tonight" and share your day 3 results, so others can learn what worked for you. Here's your memory formula to keep it simple: front-load fluids. Calm, dinner, stop stimulants, drain legs, wind down. Print the 7-day checklist, follow the sequence, and let your bladder clock out when you do. Sleep well.